Hi everybody. Um, Remember that video I was talking about a while back, the farm life? Well, I was getting thinking I don't know what I'm gonna do on this new video. So I want everybody to leave a comment down below, and I'll take anything under consideration. What do you want to see? Uh, me and my friend picking up pasture, me and my friend cleaning stalls, me and my friend doing stuff with my horse that I will show in a YouTube video. Um, just, just let me know. I'll try anything. So, let me know in the comments, and I hope to see you soon.